Hi everyone, we are in Hoover Dam in Las Vegas, Nevada. Bob is laying down on the floor, he got tired. This is the end of the bridge. Over there, guys. This is the Hoover Dam. That's the wall, they said. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. That's mommy. Look at this place, guys. Arvid, look at this surrounded. Oh my goodness. Look at that mountain up there. (1931, 1935).
Hold on, honey.
Step out of the
Honey, keep her ready. Let them keep So you gotta get to a picture. Hello, da, honey. We gotta take the bridge. Everything take the bridge.
Hoover Dam. Hi guys, this is the Hoover Dam bridge. We can't see the water, but this is the Hoover Dam. Arizona border, Arizona and Nevada. Hoover Dam. Okay, this one is a good one. Take a picture like that. No.
Careful, Mom.
You gonna drop the phone. Look at these guys.
Thank you.
Look at the Hoover Dam, guys. We're in Nevada. Bobby love, Bobby lovey boy. Turn around, honey. Honey bun. I don't know about you guys. I don't know you people. Look how high it is. Look, there's a wall there, honey bunny. Look.
Oh wow!
Oh my
That's
gosh.
the Chinese wall.
That's the
Great Wall of China.
Look at the view, guys.
Right on that thing. Let's go inside that thing and take a picture. We're done.
Taking a picture, guys. Scary down there.
我真的有付钱进到里面去，好不好？
Yeah. Wow. What is going on? How come we didn't take a picture of this a while ago? Yeah. Oh, here's the food.
Yes, oh, wow, let's go. And an escalator.
Escalator.
But you have to pay $10 now.
Oh no.
There's the mountain. He's on a wall. Come on. They should have put him up to get showed his natural work.
Look at that building. underneath probably. On that statue. Wow, 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 wow.
Got a drill bit in the going into concrete.
Whoa. Up. That was a lot of fun. Oh, my baby is.
1, 2, 3.
It's hard to stay up there. No, you can't.
Okay, honey, take a picture of you. Come on, guys. Honey, look at me. Honey, look at me. Oh my gosh. Okay, thank you guys. We gotta do it. We only come here once in a blue moon. See, we're in Arizona from California. I think they're closed because it's holiday. Yeah. But still a lot of people. Nobody wants to celebrate Thanksgiving, huh?
Hey, I want to get some money coins right there.
Oh my God. Come here over here, honey bunny. I need because I have to edit it.
Edit.
Like that. Ah, it's cold. Do it. Stop. Go away. I want to take a picture of myself. Come here. Puppy love.